In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your product listings for success on Etsy. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your current sales, these tips will help your shop stand out in the bustling Etsy marketplace. First, let's focus on the titles and descriptions of your products. It's essential to make your titles not only clear, but also rich in keywords. Think about what potential customers are typing into search bars. These keywords should be naturally woven into your product descriptions as well. Remember, clarity is key. Descriptions should paint a vivid picture of what you're offering, highlighting the unique features and benefits of your product. This approach helps search engines guide buyers to your shop while also keeping them engaged. Next, let's talk about photos, which are arguably one of the most critical elements of your listing. High quality images speak volumes. Make sure you're showing your product from multiple angles. This helps online buyers get the best possible understanding of what they're purchasing. Adequate lighting is crucial, so consider shooting during daylight or using a light box to reduce unwanted shadows. Excellent photos not only boost your product's appeal, but also instill trust in potential buyers. Pricing is another area that requires careful consideration. To price competitively, you'll need to research similar products in other shops, look at what your competitors are doing, and adjust your prices accordingly. However, make sure that your pricing reflects the value of your product and covers your expenses. Offering a quality product at a fair price can set you apart from the competition. Customer reviews can significantly impact your reputation on Etsy. Providing excellent customer service lays the groundwork for positive reviews. Prompt responses, addressing any concerns, and ensuring smooth transactions all contribute to customer satisfaction. Once the sale is complete, a polite request for feedback can be beneficial. People often respond positively when asked genuinely. Promotions are a great way to attract potential buyers. Consider offering discounts, free shipping, or even product bundles. Promotions can create a sense of urgency and motivate customers to make a purchase. However, use them strategically to ensure they align with your overall business goals. SEO, or search engine optimization, is another aspect you don't want to overlook. Use relevant tags and keywords that are likely to match what buyers are typing into the search bar. Pay attention to the tags your competitors are using and be sure to update them regularly as trends change. This will help your listings appear more frequently in Etsy search results, increasing your visibility. Finally, it's important to keep your shop updated. Regularly review your listings to ensure they're fresh and reflect any seasonal changes. This keeps your shop dynamic and can also improve repeat business from customers who are eager to see what new offerings you have. By focusing on these areas, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your Etsy shop and boosting your sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling!